Hi guys, it's been about a week and we've already got a new cube to unbox, the MGC 2x2. So let's get unboxing it. So this is what we've got. We've got a cube stand, we've got a nice bag, yep, pretty nice, and we've got the box. So let's open it up and have a look inside. And there it is. So looks like we have some adjustability stuff. And this looks like how to solve the cube. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. There's just a cube and some adjustment stuff. So let's open it. Wow. Whoa. That's really good. Wow, it's quite loose. A bit too loose. Something's gone horribly wrong. So I definitely really like this. It's a bit too loose right now, so I definitely will tighten it. So here we have some adjustment tools. There's some springs in case you want to swap them out. And then there's some extra magnets to change the magnet strength, I guess. No screwdriver to tighten it, but I have my own screwdrivers. So yeah, it's pretty good. I'll definitely be using it a lot. And yeah. Pretty sure that's a PB right there. And that's my first solve. So overall, the MGC is a pretty good 2x2. It's pretty fast, it's sort of stable. Out of the box, it's a bit dry and it definitely needs tightening. But overall, it's definitely much better than my old cube.